Weather 12 forecast.
Usually that next day after Labor Day weekend, you've got your beach to yourself, right? Well, the kids are still on summer break, Rhode Island Public Schools, and so Narragansett Town Beach still a little bit busy out there this noontime, and for good reason. It's a great beach day after the fog this morning. Things have cleared out nicely. The temperatures are going to be in the lower to mid 70s along the coastline, and the winds right now are calm. However, we're going to see some changes through the afternoon. A little sea breeze kicking in out of the south-southeast. That summer warmth and humidity, it's continuing right into the daytime on Thursday. I do expect more fog to return in the early mornings and late nights now through Thursday morning, and then we're cooler late week. We get a little push of that autumn chill, and the temperatures will drop about 10 degrees for highs between what we're seeing today and what we're expecting at the end of the week. Right now, 78 in Providence, 80 New Bedford, mid and upper 70s in Westerly and in Newport. And dew points are running high enough with those temperatures. It feels a little bit sticky out there. We're going to see those dew points continuing to climb in the next few days. So the heat index a few degrees warmer than the actual air temperatures. If you're out for lunchtime, it feels around 80 degrees. And you can see those dew points rising. The worst of it's going to be on Thursday morning. Cool front coming through, and notice those numbers plummet. So Friday and Saturday, we're back to a more refreshing air mass. This morning, though, and now into the afternoon, it's warm, it's muggy, lower 80s for highs. We'll still be around 78 degrees at 6 o'clock this evening, and we start off the evening clear. However, some low clouds and some fog, as I mentioned, starting to return first at the coastline and then spreading inland. So we'll have to watch for that reduced visibility overnight tonight on the bay today. The rest of this afternoon, visibility is looking fine. Winds out of the south, 5 to 10 knots. Have a high tide coming up here in about 10 minutes and a low tide at 6 o'clock this evening. So we've got this cool front taking its good old time, moving into the northeast. It's going to take until tomorrow night for it to actually impact our weather with any chance of showers. Meanwhile, National Hurricane Center also watching this little circulation that's off to the south and west of Bermuda, giving it about a 40% chance of developing. You can see all that moisture up and down the Carolina coastline there. Eventually, some of the clouds and showers will gather in our area too. So this is at 11 o'clock at night tonight. Low clouds and fog spreading into the area. We wake up to some overcast and murky conditions again tomorrow. Temperature wise at dawn, anywhere from the upper 50s to lower mid 60s. And then once those clouds thin out, we're going to be seeing another warm and humid afternoon. I do expect us to see a little more in the way of partial sunshine tomorrow compared to the full sun that we have out there right now. Here's that tropical satellite, and I mentioned two named storms. They're all the way out here in the eastern Atlantic. So we've got Tropical Storm Paulette and Tropical Storm Rene. Paulette is the stronger storm right now with 65-mile-an-hour sustained winds. Here's the forecast track for both of them, and latest data in from the National Hurricane Center keeps these out to sea, especially right through the end of the weekend. So this is going until 8 o'clock on Sunday, and you can see that turn to the north and west, well to the east of Bermuda. And we also have Rene making a sharp turn more northward, and so that one likely to stay out to sea. We'll keep a closer eye on Paulette here for anything next week. In our 7-day forecast, lower 80s today, tomorrow, some scattered showers during the day on Thursday. Once that front comes through, we get back to the dry and cooler weather, lower 70s for highs on Friday and Saturday.